Hi guys, welcome back to African Lead Estate. This is Mungai Kihara. Today we are in Ruiru Matangi, exactly 1.3 kilometers from Thika Superhighway and exactly 400 meters from the tarmac. Behind me is a 4-bedroom all-en-suite mansion with a print area of 260 square meters. The price of this mansion is 10 million. My duty today is to give you a tour, and I'm very sure you'll love this. The tour of this mansion starts here at the gate of the mansion, and as you can see, it's a sliding gate. The mansion also comes with a perimeter wall and a 4-car parking. Okay, let me show you inside. Before we get inside, the mansion comes with a double door that is very durable, and it makes it easy for you to get your things inside. Let me show you inside. Wow, this is a beautiful living room. The living room comes with these 2 windows and a transparent door that brings a lot of light. On the other side, you have your TV area that comes with this section part, maybe for your flowers or for your favorite book. The living room also comes with a very well crafted gypsum ceiling that holds the recess lights. Let me show you. The recess lights, the side lights, and the TV area also comes with a very good lighting. On the other side of the living room, you have the dining area. Just follow me. As you can see, this dining area is big enough to fit a family of 10 to 12 people. It's big enough, and it comes with a wash basin. On the other side of the dining area, you have this section that separates the kitchen from the dining area, and it comes with storage for your crockery and your wine. Next to me, you have the kitchen of this maisonette. The kitchen of this maisonette can be accessed through 2 doors. This door in the dining area, and you have another door in the living room. Let's use this door. Beautiful kitchen. This kitchen comes with a dark granite countertop with golden accents that matches very well with the tiling of the kitchen. Beautiful. Next to me, you have a double sink. This mansion comes equipped with solar heaters. That's why you have a hot water tap and a cold water tap. Next to me, you have upper and lower cabinets. And as you can see, the storage is sufficient. The kitchen also comes with several drawers here for your utensils and your cutlery. On my right hand side, you have an area for your cooking stove. Next to it, you have an area for your refrigerator. This is the pantry of this kitchen. Let me show you. Come closer. This is a big pantry for you, and it utilizes the area under the stairs. That was an intelligent move. This door leads to the laundry area. Let me show you the powder room and the guest bedroom. On my left hand side, you have the powder room of this maisonette. Let me show you. Before we get in, you have a wash basin at the entrance. Let me show you. This is a big powder room, and it comes with a water closet and a tissue holder. Let me show you the guest bedroom. This is the guest bedroom, and it's the only bedroom in this lower level. The bedroom comes with its bathroom on this side and its closet on this side. Let me show you the closet. This is enough storage, and you have another section here that comes with 2 drawers. All the rooms in this mansion comes with very big windows. Just have a look. Let me show you the bathroom. You have a wash basin at the entrance. Let me show you inside. This is a sizable bathroom, and it comes with its water closet here and other showering equipment. Let's continue. This mansion has 2 levels. On this level, you have the living room, the dining area, the kitchen area, and the guest bedroom. This stairs leads to the upper level, and it is very well lit. Let's have a look. On this upper level, we have the 3 other bedrooms. But before we get there, you can't fail to admire this. It's perfect. On my left hand side, you have the first bedroom. On my right hand side, you have the second bedroom. And in front of me, you have the primary bedroom. Let's start with the first bedroom. This is the smallest of the bedrooms. You have your closet on this side, and you have your bathroom on this side. Let me show you the closet. This is the closet of this bedroom, and it comes with a sectioned part here and 2 drawers. This door leads to the balcony of this bedroom. Let me show you the bathroom. This bathroom comes with a wash basin and a water closet on this side. We also have other showering equipments. Let me show you the second bedroom. From the first bedroom, this is a storage for your shoes. Let me show you the second bedroom. The second bedroom is way bigger than the first. The bathroom is here. Let me show you the closet. A section part here are 2 drawers and a section for your suits. Come, follow me. Let me show you the bathroom. This is a very big bathroom. You have your wash basin here and a water closet on the far end. Let me show you the primary bedroom. Wait, before I show you the primary bedroom, I can't forget to show you this. Look, it is a design of 2 hearts joined together. Interesting. Let me show you the primary bedroom. From the second bedroom, this is the primary bedroom. Let me show you. This is the only bedroom that comes with a walk-in closet. Here is a walk-in closet, and on the far end, you have the bathroom of this bedroom. This bedroom is very lit because it gets a lot of light from these 2 windows and the transparent door. Let me show you the walk-in closet and the bathroom, and later I'll show you the balcony. The walk-in closet comes with 2 similar sections for you and your partner. The walk-in closet also comes with a picture window that gives you maximum lighting while you are dressing. On my right hand side, you have a dressing area. This dressing area comes with a shaving light, 2 drawers, and a storage for your makeup. Let me show you the primary bathroom. The bathroom comes with a water closet, a wash basin, and a section for your shower. The section is also big enough for a bathtub. That's all about this bathroom. Let me show you the balcony. The balcony of this bedroom is here. Just follow me. This is a big balcony, and the views that you're getting from here are good. Just have a look. You have your neighbors here, and the environment is fulfilling. Let's get back inside. That's all about the tour of this house. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up or leave a comment. If you would like to purchase this house, feel free to call us anytime. That's all for today. I'll see you next time. Bye.